Hello everyone, welcome to First Point Spotlight on series. My name is Erik Scoralick. I'm the leader for the Solutions Architect team. I will be your host today. Our topic is, how does DLP identify data? So let's start with the pyramid here, where we can start how DLP does identify data. So first thing, we'll talk about keywords and dictionaries. Really straightforward, list of keywords makes a dictionary. Next is regular expressions. Regular expressions is a way to identify numbers, strings of numbers, or even keywords and dictionaries as well. Moving to the next one, it's about file types. Ways to identify different kinds of files, such as Word documents, compressed files, and a couple different other ones that we're able to identify. The next one, it's about classification labels. Classification labels are pretty much tagging labels that will tag a file as a confidential file or as an internal file, and we're able to detect that and protect that kind of data. Moving to the most important one, natural language processing scripts. Natural language processing scripts are really important because they reduce the number of false positives, meanwhile identifying sensitive data. So let's give an example. A cracker number string. 4 digits divided by 4 dashes, that makes a cracker number. But if you type 16 times 1, that's not a cracker number. So, in order to identify a cracker number, you need to have validators to make sure there's a valid cracker number. If it is either master, visa, diners, or a couple different cracker numbers. But also looking for proximity terms, like first name, last name, CVV, expiration date. So natural language scripts are going to look out those things in order to reduce the number of false positives. Moving to the next one is machine learning. Machine learning is a way to identify source codes or forms. So let's give an example of a healthcare form. Patients will fill out different forms with different types of information. So we're able to take those positive samples and negative samples in order to identify data. Next one is fingerprinting. IDM, Identity Document Matching. IDM is going to be able to identify content inside Word documents or PDFs or PowerPoint. So let's give an example. You have a document with 10 pages. Let's say someone takes only 3 pages. We're able to identify because we're looking for all the sentences that make that document confidential. The next one is EDM, Exact Data Matching, structured data. So we're able to identify structured data. Structured data are like databases. So you have in a database with rows and columns. So in a healthcare organization, you have a column with first name, last name, social security number, and so on and so forth. So we're able to identify that. Let's say someone extract the database to a spreadsheet and try to send an email to a third party. We're able to identify data with exact data matching. So those are all the premises in order to identify data and how DLP identify data. Thanks so much for watching this video.